Hello guys, welcome to Easy Tech Solution channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to reply and forward emails in your Outlook. So guys, for that go to your Outlook. Now select the mail. So guys, you can see there is a option, three dot icon. You have to tap on it. Now you can if you reply, you have to just tap on reply. And then you have to write the message that you want to reply, and that's how you can reply. Now if you cross, then again tap on the three dot icon, and guys, if you want to forward this message, then you have to just tap on forward, and then you have to enter here the ID whom you want to forward, and then just send it, and then your message will be forwarded. So guys, that's it. This is very easy to do. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.